Kitty Cat and I are wrapping up a little photo shoot right here. Well, it's not even like a photo shoot. I just wanted to get some good pictures of the taillights because I don't have any. The pictures I'm taking right now are actually going to be the thumbnail for the video before this one. I think I have Kitty in the Kitty backpack right now. We just came, this place is literally like right down the street from me, so I was like, you know what, let me get Kitty in his Kitty backpack and we will go on an adventure. Fun fact, Kitty actually likes coming outside with me. He likes going on adventures a lot and he gets sad when I leave him behind. But I can't take him everywhere because, you know, he has his needs. He needs to be, well, he needs water, obviously. He needs food. I don't want to, like, I don't know, like, he gets stressed out being around too many people sometimes, and I know the feeling, trust me. Look at the kitty cat. Kitty! Ready to go home, buddy? You ready to go home? Let's go home. I'm hungry. You're probably hungry too. You know what's funny? Okay, fun fact. I'm sure you all have noticed the blue seats, right? Like right now, I never talked about the blue seats, but I'm gonna talk about them in the next video. I'll make sure on the intro of the next video I talk about the blue seats, if I don't forget. So in this magical mystery box, we have something the car has been missing for a while, huh? Well, let me show you what's in here. Woo! Woo! You know what this is already. Polyurethane front lip. If you remember, okay, look at the car doesn't have a lip right now, obviously, right? So if you remember back when I got the custom axle back made, courtesy of Adriel for giving me that NVIDIA fart cannon, I broke my front lip. So the exhaust shop entrance is like literally like that. I shit you not, it's like super steep on a really harsh incline, and my lip cracked on the way out. So it was either the lip or the bumper. Obviously I picked the lip because the lip's replaceable and the bumper is a lot more expensive. So I finally got another one in. Came in today. Fuck you, FedEx, for making it late by another day. Again, I didn't choose FedEx shipping. I swear I didn't choose them. They just got chosen by the manufacturer. But anyways, we got a new lip. Time to jack the car up. Put the new lip on, and we'll be all set. Because this, I love blob eyes. Don't get me wrong, in their stock form. But like, once you have a lip, it's hard to go back to not having one. So I need to put this puppy on there, and we'll be all set. Just like that, it's done. This is literally what the front end was missing. A nice low lip. I mean, it's super low now. I can fit my shoe under, barely, but this is probably like 1.5 Crocs. We're doing the Croc test. And of course, last but not least, before we end off today's video, is this stuff. Cerakote trim coat. Restore that to black. Restore this back to black. and maybe even like the roof trimmings, the front grille, a couple other pieces around the side. But I'm going to test it on. This piece first, because this is obviously the worst piece on the car. So this piece and then the front windshield piece is what we're going with first. So I've never used this stuff. Looks pretty straightforward. I already cleaned off every piece I'm gonna do. Oh, I'm gonna do my roof vane as well. And now we're just gonna get to it. Literally just put the gloves on supposedly and start wiping it on. So let's do this. First thing I'm gonna say about this stuff is that it smells pretty bad. Not gonna lie, I was like, oh shit. It's a lot stronger than I thought it'd be. So you take this and just wipe it on. If you have paint on your car, you don't want to get this on your paint from what they said in the video. But my car is vinyl wrapped. So if I get any on the wrap, I'm just going to wipe it off really quick. That should be it. 2 quick wipes and I think that's it. So here is the finished result. Oh, looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. I didn't go along this seal, by the way. Like this little window seal, I didn't go along that thing. I just went along the actual mirror trimming itself. And look, it's been about 20 minutes probably. And it's literally looks as glossy as my vinyl does. It looks pretty good. I mean, it looks literally brand new. I mean, I'll give it like another hour or so, but before it's probably fully dry. But I mean, it looks good so far. That's all done right there. All that's done right there. Look at the mirror is done. That's just with the white. The windshield wiper, the windshield cowl thingy is pretty much done. I mean, I might have, I think I did a decent job. I might have missed a couple spots right here, but I think what happened is that they tell you to do it on cool surfaces, and this was still a little warm since I just drove a little while ago. So I might have to just go over that one more time. And I forgot to go over this somehow. I don't know how, but I forgot to go over this. So whenever I do the windshield cowl, I will do this at the same time because they give you 10 wipes in one pack. So I also did the roof vane. It looks fresh, super fresh. I want to go over the windshield wipers too, actually. Probably do the windshield wipers, the windshield cowl, and the little weather stripping again. Well, I'll do this and do this again, and then do the windshield wipers at the same time. And this mirror, done. Oh, I did this middle piece as well. Done. This bottom window part right here on this side too, done. This side looks literally like brand new. And of course I have my, if you know, like, if you saw the install video of the roof vane a while ago, my roof vane has had that scratch in it this whole time, but I'm gonna replace this with a carbon fiber one eventually. I will. I just the goal to replace this one with a carbon fiber piece. But it looks good. It looks really good. So it won't hide your scratches, but it does obviously make it look like brand new again. And I like it. I like it. I like it. If you're wanting my plates off, it's because I did the grill as well. So I made the grill look all brand new. Well, not the whole, not the meshy part itself, but just like the surrounding part, so it looks all brand new. And the bottom part, my piece is just kind of scratched and, you know, just rock chips and stuff, but down there looks like brand new. Looks as new as it's gonna get, minus the rock chips. But overall, I could say I'm pretty happy with it. You know, I knew it was gonna come out good, but I didn't think it was gonna come out this good. So, a strong thumbs up to Cerakote Trims Kit. I can't speak. A huge thumbs up to Cerakote Trim Kit. Worked really well. Really, really well. We just gotta do those wipers. Like I said, I should have waited till the cowl was a little colder since it's still warm. And I'll do the windshield wipers next time too. That'll probably be in the next video. I won't show it, but I'll show the results, the finished results. I'll do it tomorrow after work. I gotta redo these anyways. Well, I actually gotta do these anyways, so it works out fine. That is it, my friends and my compas. We have made it to the end of another video, and I just want to say that Cerakote stuff did work really well. I was very surprised. So we got the front lip installed. We got the genome shined up again. And the reason I shined up the genome was, one, because it was really, you know, I wanted to look really clean. And two, I'm considering selling it because I kind of want something a little louder. So, you know, if you watch the videos, you know that I took my catless downpipe off and I went back to stock cats. And with the genome, it's pretty quiet. Even though I have a resonator delete, it's still pretty quiet, sadly. And then when I took the genome off to clean it up, I put my NVIDIA axle back on that Adriel gave us a while ago. And it sounds so good. I went for a drive and it sounds so good. It's loud, but the thing is, it's not overkill loud because I still have the stock cats and it sounds so good. I want something a little bit louder, and I'm kind of sad, like, you know, to let the Genome go if I do sell it, but I want something loud because if I get pulled over, I'll be fine because I have stock everything else. I ain't really worried. But either way, we finished with the trim coat. Next video, one of two things is gonna happen. Number one, we're gonna play with the carbon fiber plate that we were given, an APR carbon fiber plate that we were given to by Fabian, which you'll see soon. Or there's a big announcement for the STi, a very, very big announcement for it. Kind of a sad day, not gonna lie, for it, but if you just believe in me and trust the process, you know, you'll understand. That's it. No more dawdling on. We're ending the video here. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.